better late than never, meaning it's better to arrive late than not to come at all. इसका हिंदी में मीनिंग है देर आए दुरुस्त आए या फिर नहीं से देर भला. एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट, I know the many difficulties there are, but it is better late than never, so do it now. Second example, the agreement that has been reached is to be welcomed, but on the basis of better late than never. Example third, the dress arrived after the dance, but better late than never. I will wear it to the next party. Fourth example, I know that it took me weeks to send the letter, but better late than never. Example fifth, we only arrived at the movie at half time, but better late than never. Bite the bullet, meaning to get something over with because it's inevitable. हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग है मजबूरी को स्वीकार करना. Examples. First, I hate going to the dentist, but I will just have to bite the bullet. Second example, if you want to resolve this issue, you will have to bite the bullet and apologize, Emily advised her friend. Example third, Jenny bite the bullet and walk into her boss' office to ask for a raise. Example fourth, sometimes you have to bite the bullet and make tough decisions, the CEO said during the layoffs. Example fifth, the athlete bite the bullet and continued to play despite his minor injury. Call it a day, meaning decide or agree to stop doing something. हिंदी में मीनिंग है किसी चीज पर काम करना बंद करो. Examples. First, I am getting a bit tired now. Let's call it a day. Example second, after these two questions, we will call it a day. Example third, it's hard to work without electricity. Shall we call it a day? Example fourth, I think we have done enough. Let's call it a day. Example fifth, after 40 years in politics, I think it's time for me to call it a day. Back against the wall, meaning being in a difficult or tough situation where one's resources are confined and limited and one is under pressure or in immediate danger. हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग है सीमित विकल्पों के साथ किसी कठिन परिस्थिति का सामना करना. Examples. First example, she have her back against the wall and don't know what to do. Example second, I wish I could help you, but my back is against the wall because I don't get paid for 2 more weeks. Example third, with just 2 minutes remaining, they have their backs against the wall and need a miracle to win. Example 4, Rahul has his back against the wall. He needs to find a job quickly to avoid bankruptcy. Example 5, with their backs against the wall, they managed to score 4 goals and win the game in an incredible comeback. Kill 2 birds with a stone, meaning achieve 2 results by doing one thing. हिंदी में मीनिंग है एक तीर से 2 निशाने लगाना. Examples. First, none of us understood that he was trying to kill 2 birds with a stone when he joined the military forces. Example second, he had gone to London on a business trip. While there, he killed 2 birds with 1 stone and visited his relatives as well. Example third, cycling to work kills 2 birds with 1 stone. It saves money and gives you some exercise. Example fourth, he dropped his kids to school while going to work, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Example fifth, I read the newspaper while sipping my morning cup of tea, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Fish out of water, meaning to be in an unfamiliar or uncomfortable place. हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग है एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को संदर्भित करना है जो किसी विशेष स्थिति या वातावरण से अपरिचित या असहज महसूस करता है। इसके अलावा हम यह भी कह सकते हैं कि कोई व्यक्ति जो किसी विशेष समूह या वातावरण में फिट नहीं बैठता है। एग्जाम्पल्स। फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, when Danny first moved to the big city from the countryside, he was like a fish out of water. Example second, Sarah has certainly not looked like a fish out of water in the mathematics lecture, since she is taking some online classes to improve her concepts. Example third, with my working class background, I feel like a fish out of water among these high society people. Example fourth, what's the matter with you? You look like a fish out of water. Example fifth, in his first interview since the move, he still looks like a fish out of water.